True or false? In an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Let's see. See this figure. This is isosceles triangle, means these two sides are equal. So the base angles are always congruent. We have seen it in our earlier videos. Now base angles means what? Sides opposite to this, the angle opposite to this side is this, and the angle opposite to this side is this. So the angles opposite to the congruent sides are always congruent. That's true. Next, the bisector of vertical angles of an isosceles triangle bisects the base at right angles. Here, bisector of vertical angles means what are vertical angles? We have seen it earlier. Of an isosceles triangle bisects the base at the right angle. See, this is the vertical angle or vertex angle, and these are the base angles, means which are opposite to the congruent sides. So the bisector of the vertical angle bisects the base at right angles. See, this is true because this bisector of vertical angle bisects is BD becomes equals to DC. That is the basic theorem of isosceles. It's proven over here. You can check that. If the hypotenuse and one angle in a right angle triangle are equal to hypotenuse and one corresponding angle in another right triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. True. See this. This is a right angle triangle. These two. This hypotenuse is congruent and one angle is congruent. Then what happens? This test, although it is not an RHS theorem, right hypotenuse side, but then it is AAS theorem. By AAS test, it is